All right, we want to look at how to sort information on a spreadsheet. In this case, we have all these 5 people's names. We want to sort their names. So I can click in cell A2 and drag down to cell A6. And now I have the 5 names highlighted. I'd say, hey, I want to sort these in alphabetical order. To do that, I can go to Data. Now, I don't want to sort it on the sheet. I want to sort the range that I've highlighted here in column A. Now, notice that if I do this, Tom's score was an 88, but when I do this, wait, Tom's down here in 84. It didn't take the scores with it. That's a big mistake we don't want to do. So if I undo that, what I want to do is highlight all the names and drag over so that it has their scores also, so that it'll take their scores from test 1 with them. Now I just go to Data, I go to Sort Range, column A, it puts them all in alphabetical order, and it carries their names with them. That is the sort function in Sheets.